Hello everybody, welcome back to Bootstrap Workbench. Today I just want to do a quick one. As I mentioned in my last video, there have been a lot of changes recently to the YouTube partnership program, including changing the way that smaller channels will or will not be monetized. If you're interested in that information, it's out there. I can provide a link to it down below. What I did want to talk, sorry, I just woke up. What I did want to talk about is that if you have small channels, small YouTube channels that you're interested in, or if you want to go search for some small YouTube channels, they could use your support right now. All of us with small YouTube channels, we need to be over 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 hours of watch time during the last 12 months. Now, I just reached that goal myself. So I'm doing well, but if you want to support small YouTube channels, small amateur radio YouTube channels, then you can just go to the search box at the top and type in amateur radio, ham radio, electronics repair, whatever it is you're interested in, and then click on filter once the results come up and select channel. And it'll tell you how many people are subscribed to that channel. If you find one that you're interested in and it has less than 1,000 subscribers, I would say go ahead and subscribe to it. It's going to help them out, get them closer to their goal of being able to maintain their monetization. And that's really going to be it for today. I just wanted to put that out there. It's a great way of giving back to the community, of saying thanks to the creators that you love. And I hope that you have a great day. Thanks for watching.